Rhea, and I'm still here with
Rhea May.
Rhea May. So, dahil na po naman challenge road. And then ikaw, you explain.
We're going to do
Wait lang.
staring challenge.
Because last time, it was... What? So yung tawag ito? Ito... Arm wrestling. Oh. It was arm wrestling man, guys. So this time, it's staring contest na. And you guys are the witness, guys, ha? Like, walay bias diri, guys, ha? Like, if you see someone blinking, guys, then... Hindi nila na to, guys. Adi, ako basta to kung inyong makita nga, ang usa kay blinking na gyud. Kato sa mo na gyud siya na lose. Diba? Pero let's talk about the deal. So we're going to do this man. So what would be the reward or what would be the consequence kung appeal din?
Ay, dili, ang madawag mo decide if gusto yan.
Ang buhaton sa consequence. Ang premium na sa Madao kay siya may makadecide. Well, I feel like nagbili ako ng Madao kay di ko kabalo decide. Pero, yeah, dapat na ako'y, ang teknika na, guys, you have to distract you. Go.
Distract what?
I feel like I've seen something. Guys, wala ako kabantay ito, pero you saw that, right? What did you do? Okay, so going back sa akong game. Ano itong game? No, na-distract ako.
Distraction.
Oh yeah, distraction. So, I'll make sure to distract you in any way that I can. Okay. So
No blinking challenge yun.
oh, no blinking.
Okay, no blinking challenge.
Like, kung staring contest lang, dali naman kayo kay magana as long as makapiyong ko sa akong mata, okay naman. So it's not really a challenge. But this time, it's not blinking. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
How ready are you? 99. Okay.
Whether or not, I'm ready.
Humble lang ko, guys. 50. I'm 50.
Whether or not, ready yourself.
Ready yourself. Smooth lang. Dapat na to. May exercise ito na to.
Let's shoot.
Ito, ano ito tanaw para dili ta mag-blink? Or ano?
Okay.
Okay.
I'll be with you.
So kamo, guys. Amot na ko, inyo ba makita ko mag-blink? Makita ba ko mag-blink? Like, tanawan.
Makita.
Makita? Sige, ikaw daw?
Kita ba na ka?
Eh. Okay, makita. So guys, wait lang. Who are you rooting man, guys? Isha. Oh, you heard that? Guys, what did you say? Isha. Isha.
Hallucination. Go. Okay, start na.
Okay. So, but hindi man sa hangin dito. What if
No, wait.
hindi hangin, no? Guys, what if muta ang inyong makita na ko, guys? I-clean na to eyes, guys. There's no muta man, guys, diba? Okay, next time. Okay. But,
Ay, ano lang kayo?
ayaw. Sige. Sige. Close your eyes ah. And 3. Ay, di na lang mag-close
Ayan
ang
na lang,
eyes ah.
ayan na lang.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait, ano lang na kumawit sa... Wait, wala sa to. Tug na ako magbibigay. Nasa sa mata.
Di man.
Okay, please.
Please. Ito, bagay diri.
Hindi mo pa itong hangin. Huwag ako, hindi mo pa itong hangin. Wait, so... Baka lang... Okay. Let's do this, guys. Wait, oh, ano yung ganito? Try. Try. Hangin. Okay, naman. Oh, gano'n. Oh, diba? Okay, so advantage na to niya.
Reason. Hindi mo kayo siya hangin, guys.
You heard her. Niya na siya. Gamay naman. So, naagyapon. Ah, sige. Advantage na niya. Pagbigyan.
Okay.
Pagbigyan na to, guys. Okay.
Siya siguro.
Okay.
Reason. No, don't. Wala. Kasap.
Dili makita akong pagpag.
Meeting siya, guys.
What?
Not counted.
Okay. Sige. Then 3, 2, 1, stop.
No blinking.
Oh! Ni blink! Yes, ni blink!